All right, so I just want to give you a quick demo of our product. When you're ready, just set up a Calendly and I can give you a full demo. So what we do at Dreambook 3D is we take your home plans and we convert them into 3D models. We then give you a link. You could put it on to that blueprint and your customers can explore their models. So this is one of the homes we've got into our system. So right here, I could fly around the house, the entire home, get a good idea of what it looks like. And if I want to drop down, I just click this button and now I can walk around. So this allows your customers to fully experience the house. Every single room in the house, they can look up at the ceilings and truly explore the home. If they want to make a change, they simply just click on something in the house. Almost everything can be clicked on, and I can change the material. If I don't like it, simply undo, and that's how you change materials. If I want to create photorealistic images of the house, which you can use for all of your home plans, you just click on the colorful icon in the bottom left, and I can now create a photorealistic image from the materials I've applied to this house. Or I could pick from one of dozens of different styles. So I've already done this. I just click this icon on the bottom, and I can now see some of the images I've rendered. And you can save these all to your computer and use them as you wish. Some of the other features that we have is you will be able to put your zip code in right here on the left, and I can put my zip code in, and I can see how the sun will go through the windows on my property on my zip code. We'll have multiple users be able to join the model at the same time. We'll help with sales or inviting friends, family, or builders to look at the model once it's done. Yep. So this is what we do. I set up a Calendly. I can give you a full demo, show you how the product works, and we can go from there. Thanks.